Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Bank of America credit card setup. First, you'll want to activate your new card right away so you can start making purchases. Next, setting up your online account is crucial for managing your finances easily, allowing you to view statements and pay bills from anywhere. Finally, take a moment to understand all the fantastic benefits and rewards your specific card offers, ensuring you maximize its value from day one. Activating your new Bank of America credit card is simple and quick. You can easily activate it online by visiting the official Bank of America website and following the clear prompts. Alternatively, look for the activation phone number printed on a sticker on your card or in the accompanying materials. A quick call will get you set up. Always double-check that all your personal details are correct during this process to avoid any future issues. Setting up your online account is a vital step for seamless credit card management. Enroll in online banking to gain 24/7 access to your statements, transaction history, and payment options. When creating your login, always choose a strong, unique password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for maximum security. For an extra layer of protection, enable two-factor authentication, which requires a second verification step, keeping your financial information safe. To truly get the most from your Bank of America credit card, take time to understand its unique benefits. Explore whether your card offers valuable cash back, travel points, or other exciting rewards programs. It's also smart to review the interest rates and any potential fees, such as annual fees or late payment charges, to manage your finances effectively. Don't forget to download the mobile banking app for convenient, on-the-go access to all your account details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.